Amid reported infighting within Zimbabwe's ruling party, President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his influential deputy Constantino Chiwenga have been grounded in the country, leaving less powerful Vice President Kembo Mohadi to represent Zimbabwe on the international stage. Sanapenda mashoko ari kuda panapa tiona kuti aiwa Chiwenga aiwa nemutungamiri wenyika Emmerson Mnangagwa vanosara kuti aiwa Kembo Mohadi nganorepresenta nyika. Sanapenda mashoko amudanyo panapa don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. This political climate has led Mohadi to assume responsibilities for international engagements, including his recent attendance at the 60th Benel International Art Exhibition in Venice, Italy. Mohadi is currently in Venice, accompanied by Deputy Minister of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, Emily Jesaya, and Acting Permanent Secretary in his office, Newton Law. On Tuesday, Mohadi is expected to tour the Zimbabwe Pavilion, showcasing a diverse array of Zimbabwean art to an audience of more than 500 daily visitors. Commissioner Raphael Chituko highlighted the pavilion's success, noting its draw among global art enthusiasts who are captivated by displays celebrating Zimbabwe's rich heritage, culture and history. Thomas Kwambudanyo wanakomana mzimzara naso chiti aiwa tension kana kusawirirana nekusatrustana kurupitika kwatema leaders are very influential amoziva tukamiri wenyika pamwechete naConstantino Chiwenga kuri kunzi aiwa zvaita kuti vaviri ava vasaenda out, kuti vasaenda kuItaly. Vabva kuti aiwa ngatingotuma Kembo Mohadi watoziva kuti kunyange akaenda hapana chinosara chichiitika nokuda kwekusatrustana. Mashoko ari kubuda takatarasana nawo nhasi ari kubuda ari mumastreets chimaona chibuda mepanhau rezimu ai. Kutidzai mafungiro enyu tinoti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi, pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.